Why, hello there. It's me, Soso. Today, I had this old drawing and I decided to redraw it. I actually had three options and I had to use a spin the wheel to decide. Spin. It comes with noise. So yeah, that was fun. So it kind of chose this one, which even then I didn't really like because of how it looked. I was not a big fan of it. It was just not a me thing. I tried drawing myself in this sort of anime artsy style, but it didn't work out that way. I instead kind of didn't really like it. So yeah, I'm very glad actually to have this one chosen. And here I am. I've finished the basic sketch. Now I'm just adding in details because why not? This is more of my style. I've never seen myself in my style. It's kind of weird, actually. So, yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let the drawing speak for itself. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the final product. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out at Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching! Bye!